Have you ever chosen to not speak up, silence as a means of self-preservation?
I tried, but I failed
I like it.
because I've studied. I taught and I studied so much about rights and equality, and even I would like to connect it with the other point about good migrants, like
Yes.
with the qualities of it. And I think this is also some way of excluding some people who you perceive that are not productive enough. So I think everybody has a right to dignity and equality. So therefore, I had decided like not to speak up. And as a result of it, I found that, I am creating more trouble for myself. So then there is going to be a cost. But at the end of the day, I discussed with the other diaspora groups. Some of them are Irish citizens as well. And they were telling me, like, you are saying that they are saying, oh, the racism is increasing so much. Let us build our house back, our home. And some of them, they were brought up here. They were born and brought up in Ireland, in UK. And they are telling me, and it completely shattered my confidence. But then I asked them question, like, do you want your kids to be like you? Like, do you want your kids to live with inequality? Then the answer is obviously no. So when you think about, the society you want to see, then, you take the risk like you have been taking. Although we are talking about equality, we are advocating for change, but it seems like more risk, personal risk.
Yeah.
It seems like, more personal risk to me. But then, we have to choose what
And-
is justice.
Yeah.